Today, I will be reading the book titled OpenAI ChatGPT Demystified, A Beginner's Handbook to AI Chatbots, written by Eddie Long. Chapter 2, Meet Your New Best Friend, ChatGPT. Section 4, Introducing OpenAI's ChatGPT. Get ready to meet your new best friend, my friend, OpenAI's ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot platform that uses deep learning techniques to simulate conversation with human users. It was developed by OpenAI, an AI research lab co-founded by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, and other luminaries in the field. So, what sets ChatGPT apart from other chatbots? For starters, ChatGPT is built on top of a powerful deep learning algorithm called a transformer. This allows it to understand and respond to natural language input in a more nuanced and contextually relevant way than other chatbots that use simpler rule-based systems. ChatGPT is also pre-trained on a massive dataset of text, which includes everything from books and news articles to social media posts and online forums. This means that it has a broad understanding of the English language and can respond to a wide range of user queries and statements. But the real power of ChatGPT lies in its ability to learn and improve over time. As users interact with the chatbot, it analyzes their input and uses this data to improve its responses. This means that the more you use ChatGPT, the better it gets at understanding and responding to your queries and statements. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert in natural language processing or machine learning to use ChatGPT. The platform is designed to be accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner looking to improve your customer support or an individual looking for a fun and convenient way to interact with businesses and services, ChatGPT has got you covered. In the next chapter, we will take a closer look at how to build your first chatbot using ChatGPT. So buckle up, my friend, and get ready to unleash the power of conversational AI. Section 5, How ChatGPT Works and What It Can Do. Now that you're familiar with the basics of ChatGPT, it's time to take a closer look at how it actually works and what it can do. Let's dive in, my friend. At its core, ChatGPT is a language model that uses a deep learning algorithm called a transformer to generate text that is similar to human language. The transformer is trained on a massive dataset of text, which allows it to learn patterns and relationships in the English language. When you input a message or query into ChatGPT, it uses the transformer to generate a response that is contextually relevant to your input. Here's an example. User, hi there. How are you doing today? ChatGPT, I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How can I assist you today? As you can see, ChatGPT is able to understand the context of the user's input and generate a response that is appropriate for the situation. But ChatGPT is not just limited to generating simple responses to user input. It can also perform a wide range of tasks, from answering trivia questions to providing recommendations for products or services. Here are a few examples of what ChatGPT can do. Answering questions. ChatGPT can be trained on a wide range of topics, allowing it to answer questions on everything from history to science to pop culture. Here's an example. User, who was the first president of the United States? ChatGPT, the first president of the United States was George Washington. Providing recommendations. ChatGPT can also be used to provide personalized recommendations for products or services based on user input. Here's an example. User, I'm looking for a new book to read. Can you recommend something? ChatGPT, sure. What genre are you interested in? Generating creative content. ChatGPT can be used to generate creative content, such as poetry or short stories. Here's an example. User, can you write a short story for me? ChatGPT, once upon a time, in a far-off land, there lived a brave knight named Sir John. As you can see, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for generating natural language text that is contextually relevant and engaging. In the next chapter, we will take a closer look at how to build your first chatbot using ChatGPT. So get ready, my friend, and let's get started. Section 6, The Difference Between Rule-Based and AI Chatbots. When it comes to building chatbots, there are two main approaches, rule-based and AI-powered. Let's take a closer look at the differences between these two approaches, my friend. Rule-based chatbots are built on a set of predefined rules that govern how the chatbot will respond to user input. These rules are typically created by human developers and are designed to cover a specific range of scenarios. For example, A rule-based chatbot for a pizza restaurant might have rules for taking orders, handling customer complaints, and providing information about the restaurant's menu. The main advantage of rule-based chatbots is that they are simple and easy to build. Because the rules are predefined, developers don't need to have advanced knowledge of natural language processing or machine learning to create a functional chatbot. However, rule-based chatbots also have a number of limitations. For one, they are not very flexible. If a user inputs something that is not covered by the predefined rules, the chatbot may not be able to provide a useful response. Additionally, rule-based chatbots can be time-consuming and expensive to maintain, as developers need to update the rules whenever there are changes to the business or service that the chatbot supports. AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT, on the other hand, use machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to natural language input. This allows them to be much more flexible and contextually relevant than rule-based chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can also learn from user interactions, which means that they can improve over time and provide more accurate and useful responses. The main disadvantage of AI-powered chatbots is that they can be more complex and difficult to build than rule-based chatbots. Developers need to have a strong understanding of natural language processing and machine learning in order to create an effective AI chatbot. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots may require more data and computational resources to operate than rule-based chatbots. In summary, both rule-based and AI-powered chatbots have their pros and cons. Rule-based chatbots are simple and easy to build, but can be inflexible and time-consuming to maintain. AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT are more flexible and contextually relevant, but can be more complex and resource-intensive to build. The choice of which approach to use will depend on the specific needs of the business or service that the chatbot is intended to support. Thank you for listening. Chapter 2 of the book, OpenAI ChatGPT Demystified, A Beginner's Handbook to AI Chatbots. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next chapter.